guiding to the other page. Yeah, we can start play the simulation for, and the objective or the aim of the supply chain will be decided in the problem set later. Okay, if some error happen, there will be a pop-up in here in this page, and you can back to the main page, yeah, to resolve the problem, to edit the parameter or to solve the error. Okay, there's an error notification, and then you can solve the error back to the main page. Yeah. So in the website, there's also the example of the case study. Yeah? You can run and you can study the case study, and so that you can have the better understanding about how the SCM Globe is conducted. Okay, for example, if the problem is to make sure that the supply chain can run for 30 days, yeah, so you must ensure that the supply chain can run for 30 days. So after you finish the simulation, there will be the result. Okay, can you show the result? Okay. Okay, in the right column, you can see the data, yeah, the data from the simulation, and then you can convert it in Excel, and then you can do the analysis, yeah. Okay, as you can see here, the simulation can run up to the 10 days, yeah, but the error occur, and then you must solve that error. Yeah. Okay, if the simulation is done, you can export the result to Excel, and you can analyze the result in Excel. So another now is how to save, yeah? Save file.
Okay, here you can go to my account. There is a file you create before to make a simulation. Okay, there is a file test first. You can save it first. Okay. Okay. You can download the files too, but we have to. Mr. Budi, can you show to me how to download the file? There is a download save state. Yeah, you can download the file in JSON format in Java language maybe. These files too you need to send to us while the problems has been sent to you, and these models will be a part of our assessment. Okay, maybe like that.
Okay, Pak Budi, can you go directly to the SCM web? Okay, in the SCM Globe web, you can see any information. Yeah, start with the frequently asked question and then the study case. Pak Budi, can you show the getting started? Oh, you can have. Oh, you can also push the help button, yeah, to see if you have any problem with the simulation.
Click on Start here. Log in first and then click on the Help button. Click on Login. Click on Login. The blue Help button, yes. The blue, yep.
Okay, you can have the online guide here. All the information is right here. Yeah? How to build the supply chain, how to simulate it, and how to analyze the data.
Okay, we suggest you to try one case study in this website. You can find a topic with Cincinnati seasoning. There is a good example for us to learn how to build the model in SCM Globe. Pak Budi, can you show where the position of the Cincinnati seasoning here in right below? We can find a Cincinnati seasoning. Yang tadi, before the screen before. Login first. Login first. Help button. Okay, scroll down. You can see in right side below, you can find Cincinnati seasoning. Now up, field custody. That is Cincinnati seasoning. That is good for you to learn how to build the model with this example. So after you try this example, we plan to conduct the second training next week, so we can do the question and answers for detail for how to build this model. Okay, this week.
Okay, I think you can read and study all the information here in the website. And then in the next training, in the second training next week, I hope we will see you if there are any problem with you, yeah. And if maybe in this training we will have also the question and answer, yeah, question and answer session right after this. Okay, I think that's all, Pak Yodi, for the online training. The basically is that you should try the first case study here in the Cincinnati seasoning case, and then you can learn how to design your supply chain and also to simulate it. Okay, thank you very much. Next, we will have the rules, yeah, I think, yeah. Back to Nelvi as the master of ceremony. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Riyadi and Ms. Ira. I hope all participants understand about what is SCM Globe and how to operate. Now, Mr. Riyadi will explain about the competition rules. Time is yours, Mr. Riyadi.
Okay. Can we share the screen to the main screens? Okay. Okay. Here rules for you participant. First is we know the competition is open to university students, both domestically and abroad. One team consists of 3 members. Yeah. And then the competition will consist of 3 rounds. The preliminary round, semifinal, and final round. The case studies will be provided by the LSCOM committee for each category with different level of difficulty for the preliminary, semifinal, and final round. You can download in LSC website if the time to download it is come. And then the 8 best team from the preliminary round will enter the semifinal, and then the best 3 team will advance to the final round. So from now, it's about 30 teams has been registered. There will be choose 8 team for the semifinal and 3 team for the final round. And then the report are written in English. The format of the report and assessment rubric will be provided together with the case study file. I think we have sent a schedule for you. It's about in 26 June we will send you the problem. Okay, there is another file you need to submit except the beside the report. You need to submit the JSON file to the models, and then we need you to submit your photos. It is selfie and to a group photo while discussing or working on this case. Yeah. And then for the preliminary round, okay, the case study for the preliminary round can be downloaded on the LSC website on 26 June at 0:01 AM. You have 2 days to discuss. It's about 40 hours to discuss and write a report on your simulation result. Yeah, a report and simulation file must be submitted by June 27 at 4 PM. So you have about 40 hours to finish your work. The format of the report and assessment rubric will be provided together with the case study file. Please make sure that your report follow the format. And then teams that qualify for the next round will be announced on 28 June at 11 AM. So for semifinal round, the case study for the semifinal round can be downloaded on June 28 after the announce of the semifinal participant. Yeah, it's the same, but the time file is submitted at 7 AM. You have more or less, yeah, less time to finish the models and the problem. In semifinal round, you must do the presentation and perform simulation via Zoom, yeah, online on 29 June at 10 AM. The presentation will be a part of the assessment process. Here the difference between preliminary and semifinal. We do the presentation and QA2. Okay, the teams that qualify the final round will be announced on 29 June at 1:30 PM. After that, the finalists can download the problem on LSA website at 2 PM. The report and JSON file must be submitted before June 30, yeah, at 8 a.m. All finalists must do the presentation too and perform simulation live via Zoom again in the final round. And in this final round, we will announce who is the winner. Okay, and the last is the disqualifying criteria. The first is about the lateness of submission. We have a schedule. We will send back again the schedule to a participant. And then we cannot tolerate about plagiarism. Yeah. And number 3 is you cannot change the parameter or value that cannot be changed. So we will give you some parameter that the value you cannot change. Maybe that is for the SCM rules. These grand rules will be sent to you all participants too, together with the schedule. I think that's for the explanation about competition rules. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Yodi. Now, guys, if there is any question, you can click raise hands button in the Zoom application, and Mr. Yodi and Ms. Ira will answer your question.
Okay, first we will see the question on the chat room. Okay, first is from Izhar.
Okay, we have one question from Izhar.
Okay.
Time is yours, Izhar.
Sorry, I would like to ask, what are the variables that are able to be changed for when you just now say about the parameters that you are set given? So let's say the variables, we can change the truck load or the truck from small to medium. Is it able to be changed, or a different route can be changed? So I'm a bit confused regarding about that.
Okay, I will answer the question. Yeah. Later in the problem set, we will decide it which variable that you can change and you cannot change. Yeah, please. In the problem set later, yeah, we will distribute you around the 26th of June. Yeah. In the problem set, we will discuss. We will provide the information about which parameter that you can change and you cannot change. Yeah, you must follow that rules, or otherwise you will be disqualified. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Izhar.
Any other question? I see there's another participant who raised hand. Yeah. For Sun Morning Star. Undip, yeah, from University of Diponegoro. Can you give the question, please?
Okay, hello, ma'am. Well, my questions will that aren't all the teams will get the same case, because I saw that in the website, the areas developed include just like health, foods, energy, or yeah, etc. So, are the cases that will be given to all the teams will be the same, or that will be different for each team? Thank you.
Okay, I will try answer your question. Okay, these themes of the competitions about renewable energy and then about health and food. Actually, we have tried to combine that in our set of problem. So you no need to make your answer each different by this time. Yeah, you just see the problem that is consists of that themes about that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, there's another question from Malik Faki. Do you have any guidebook for the participant? Yes, we do have the guidebooks. Yeah, is it already distributed? Yeah, I think it's already distributed to the participant. Yeah, the guidebook. But for the detailed information, you can check the LSA website. Yeah, or group WhatsApp. Yeah. Is there if there any other question that you might ask to us, please type your question in the chat box or in the your WhatsApp group, yeah, for the participant. Yeah.
Okay, I will add some information about an account for the participant. The participant who just registered for 14 June, we still waiting from the HM Group to validate the email. So for who the participant who just registered for 14 June, maybe we will try to give the account to your email in 15 June, tomorrow. Yes. So you can try the scmglobe.com. You can try to log in to activate and try the models. And then next week we can do the second training if you have any question for how to build the models. Maybe that's.
Okay. Any other question?
Okay, this is a question from Go Chehwei, RP, Republic of Polytechnic. Where can we download the preliminary problem on June 26? The problem will provide in LSC website. There is for problem section, so you can download in LSC at .steamlog.ac.id. That is Gojek. We can inform in WhatsApp group if the time is nearly comes.
Okay, thank you. Other question? Basically, all information about the technical of the computation will be provided in the LSC website. Yeah.
And feel free to ask to us in a WhatsApp group if you have any difficulties for running the models, to build the models of about another technical things about this competition. Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Riyadi and Ms. Ira. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the end of agenda. I'm your MC. Thank you for all trainers, speakers, and participants, and may the best be the winner. Before we close this technical meeting, let's take some picture together. Please turn on your camera and put the brightest smile. Turn on your camera, guys. Okay. 1. Are you ready, guys? Please turn on your camera. And don't forget cheese. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese. Once more. Slide number 2. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, slide number 3. 1, 2, 3, cheese. And next slide. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, for the last slide. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Ibu.
Bu Ira will announce the winner, the game's winner. Okay, time is yours, Bu Ira.
Okay. I have the winner for the games. Yeah. It is the first is Sania from Maranatha Christian University. Congratulations, Sania. And the second is Aurelia Satya from STEAMLab. Congratulations, Aurelia. And the third winner is Sedita Nabila Putri from University of Pertamina. Congratulations to all the winners. Please contact the committee in your WhatsApp group for the prize. Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations for the winners. Our committee will contact you after this session, and thank you for your attention. Good afternoon and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hah?
Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Steve, for coming.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you, Mr.
What time's over there, Michael and Steve?
Okay, Rakma. We will be talking with you. We will be getting the additional accounts for all the other teams. We'll get them
Okay.
to you quickly.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Okay, good night. What time's around there? 11 o'clock?
In Chicago, it is 11 o'clock. Yes.
Okay. Get the good rest, good sleep. Also,
Good morning. Good night.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oke, terima kasih semuanya ya panitia. Alhamdulillah acaranya sudah berjalan dengan baik, juga partisipan. Saya izin pamit ya.